The integumentary system is composed of skin, one of the most important organs for protection of the body. The skin is made up of different layers that provide many different functions of the skin. The hypodermis is the innermost layer. The hypodermis contains adipose tissue, which helps keep the body insulated and also helps give the body energy. This layer contains arteries and veins that run up through the dermis. The dermis is the middle layer, made up of two secondary layers, the reticular layer and the papillary layer. These layers are responsible for hair growth and contain sudoriferous sweat glands, both apocrine and eccrine, which is responsible for temperature control. Eccrine is a type of merocrine gland that is found all over the body. This type of gland helps to maintain temperature balance by releasing large amounts of waters and salts. This does this by the high heat capacity of a water molecule, which gets rid of the heat in the body. This can be seen when we have a fever. The sensible perspiration we see on our skin is water molecules held together by hydrogen bonds, getting rid of the heat that is causing our fever. Apocrine sweat glands are found in our armpits and anogenital regions. These glands are known as sexual scent glands. They are emptied through the hair follicle, also found in the dermis. This extends through the epidermis onto the surface of the skin. The epidermis is responsible for evaporation through insensible perspiration of sweat. This layer is also very important for the production of vitamin D. Cholesterol is found in this layer and is activated by sunlight to convert to cholecalciferol. This is a form of vitamin D. This is very important as it is the beginning process in helping to maintain calcium levels in the blood. The epidermis contains 5 layers. The stratum basale is right above the dermis layer. Here we find melanocytes. Melanocytes are activated by ultraviolet radiation. They produce melanin, which gives skin its color. Everyone has the same number of melanocytes, but some are more active than others. This is why some people are seen as a darker colored brown than others. Keratinocytes are also constantly dividing in this layer, and then they move up to the stratum spinosum layer where they continue to divide. The stratum granulosum layer is where the keratinocytes stop dividing and they begin to produce keratin. Keratin is a protein responsible for strength and preventing the loss of moisture in the skin. This layer is also where we begin to see the cells of the skin begin to dehydrate. From there, the cells either move up to the stratum lucidum, which is only found in thick skin, or the stratum corneum. The stratum corneum is where the skin cells begin to die and shed off. These layers make up part of one of the most important systems responsible for protection of the body, the integumentary system.